Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my July favorites. So if you want to see what those products are, and they are all pink, just keep on watching. So I do these types of videos every single month, so if you want to see the playlist, it's going to be linked down below. So most of these products are also things that I had in my shop, my stash. We have things that I literally use all the single time, and you guys have seen it so much. Some of these products are from Temu, from the drugstore. All of these products are affordable. So let's get into it. Let's start off with the first product. So starting off with the lip plumper gloss from Temu. This is so cute. Not only does it come in the most beautiful little packaging, it looks like a pair of lips. This one here is in the shade 04. It's actually just the most beautiful pink gloss. You guys have seen this in action. I'm gonna have a video linked down below of me using this, but this is so cute and really pigmented. It doesn't really have any like plumping effect in my opinion. It just feels really nice and cooling, but it doesn't sting at all. So that's what I love about this. So that's why I threw it in this video. Another lip care kind of product, we have the Colourpop Lux lip oil, and this one here is in the shade Cosmic Clique. So again, I just filmed my shop, my stash, so some of these products I pulled in because I love them so much. So some of them I already had put aside because I just wanted to do a specifically pink makeup favorites vibe, but also because pink is my favorite color, I literally want everything around me to be pink. So that's basically why I love this. The actual formula is also really nice. The only thing that I don't love about this is the smell. It has a really interesting smell, and I have that problem with a couple other Colourpop lip products specifically, where they have such a weird smell. I don't even know, it's not like chemically or anything. Let me know if you've experienced that with Colourpop lip products, but this doesn't really smell the best. I wish it did, but that doesn't really deter me. I literally use this all the time. I use it on Instagram for my get ready with me videos. I use it here on YouTube. I really love this color. I'm gonna give it a swatch for you guys. I'm also gonna swatch the other one because why not? So basically it's just a pink gloss vibe. It gives you hydration and it gives you a tint to your lips as well. So really cute. If you're into pink, try it out. They also have a couple other shades as well. Let's go ahead and swatch this moment right here. Again, it's just a pink glossy moment, but again, this one compared to the other one, this one is way more mauve vibes, whereas the other one is very much like pink in your face vibes. Since we are on the topic of lips, let's talk about a lipstick favorite from Beauty Creations. We have a couple other Beauty Creations favorites as well as e.l.f. and some City Color. Literally, this lipstick is so good, and it was part of their Murillo Twins collection, and it is the lipstick in Brie Brie. Really love the lipstick packaging, so cute, nice little bullet, gives me MAC vibes. It did used to say the name of the collaboration, but since I use it so much and it's a little old, it kind of rubbed off. But again, this one here is in Brie Brie, and it's the most beautiful nude moment. It is so nice, and it's like a peachy kind of vibe as well. So there's the shade Brie Brie. It looks stunning with a dark brown lip liner, which is why I love it. It's just a perfect nude shade. It also doesn't melt as easily as my other lipsticks, so I really like to carry this with me. Literally throw some on, kind of tap it over top of brown lip liner, and it just looks so good and it lasts. So really love this as well. Let's talk primer. I have been loving this e.l.f. gripping primer. So this is called their Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. I even purchased a dupe kind of product from Temu of this, so we might do a video on TikTok, maybe Instagram, I don't know, using this against the other primer just to see how it works. So yeah, this one's really good. Again, it's a very grippy, it's that like sticky kind of moment. I'll say it's very similar to the Milk makeup one, but honestly I've never tried that one, so I don't know what to tell you. But this one here is really nice. Honestly, it feels like if you put something over top, it literally grips it and it's not gonna move. So that's basically what I love about this. Really nice, and it has such a great longevity because everything sticks to it. It's almost like a face glue where nothing's gonna move. We have a couple of cream products. You guys know, if you know, I literally love these. I pick them out all the time, literally shop my stash, literally get ready with me videos. I use these all the time, not only because they're pink, but that has to do a lot with it. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands. We have their contour, their blush, and their highlight. The contour one is in the shade Medium Tan. We have their blush in the shade Berry Radiant, and also the Rose Quartz shade in their highlight, and these are just really good. Really love how they blend. I've again mentioned this and debuted it on my channel so much. You guys have seen it in action, so I'll see if I can find a video using this. I don't know if I remember. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can watch, but these are so good. Again, I also did use them in my shop my stash get ready with me, which I just posted not too long ago. So yeah, these are really nice, but again, the packaging is cute, but also the price point is really nice. Not to mention the actual formula is 10 out of 10. City Color mascara. This was literally $125 at the Dollar Tree, but I mentioned in a different video, but I have purchased this full full price from the City Color website. This is the Be Batty mascara. I just find that I love the packaging, but I also love the formula. I also love the wand of this product as well. It's not too big, it's not too thin, it's just like the perfect size, and it's not super messy. Again, really affordable. If you see it at Dollar Tree, I definitely recommend, also because it's really cute and girly, but also the formula is really good. Another Dollar Tree product, we have two of their blushes. These are part of the Be Color line. We have this blush which had all the strawberries on it. I'm sure you guys remember from my haul video. Now these strawberries have gone away, so this has become more of a pale pink kind of blush, which is still really beautiful. And then we have this one, which is a blush slash highlight, which has again a little strawberry on it. So I did use these in a get ready with me try on Dollar Tree haul video, so if that is up already, I'll have it down below. But these are actually really nice as well, and again, very affordable and cute. So next we have two powders, again pink packaging. They're so cute, but also the formula is amazing. SHEGLAM Love Dive powder in the shade Matte For You is really good. It is like a multicolor kind of powder, almost like color correcting vibes. Comes with a nice mirror. Also the powder itself is really good. This is a really nice like touch up kind of powder just to carry in your purse. And then we also have the Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence Primer Finishing Powder. Only comes in one shade. This one's really good as well. Now what I found with these like white kind of powders, translucent vibes, is that I can only use it on my under eyes, because when I do use it all over, it just looks a little ghostly, okay? Because I am tan vibes, it just doesn't mesh well. So that's just what I found these days using them together. I like them for my under eyes, not for all over the face. So if you're looking for something for all over the face, I really recommend the SHEGLAM foundation powder. It's not too heavy, perfect pigment, and it mattifies you if you have oily skin. So these are really good, again for the under eyes, not really for all over the face, but I still have them in my favorites for a reason. They're really good. Next we have a setting spray from the Beauty Creations and Yerimua collection. We also have their eyeshadow palette. So if you guys saw my get ready with me using all these products, you guys know I love them. This one smells really good. If you're not into scents, I don't think you're gonna like this, but this just smells amazing. Smells like perfume, so good. Run out and grab it. Also packaging is 10 out of 10. But the actual like palette is really cute. I really wanted to keep the sleeve on it so you guys could see how it looks, and this is just adorable. I love the presentation, everything about it. Actual eyeshadow formula is good. I also love that she included face shades in here as well. So there's the sleeve, but when you take that off, this is what you get. Still really cute, that Bratz kind of font. And then you get the eyeshadows, you get face shades in here. It's like so cute, very nice and compact. And again, these shades in here are so nice. So this has definitely been a favorite. It's also in my Shop My Stash. So again, I have been loving so many pink products. I just wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what your favorite pink product is down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.